Words that describe what the subject is doing. Action, what we do. Saying what we say. Sensing, what we think, feel and perceive. Relating, how we create links between information existing. How we refer to things that simply exist. Nouns. Noun is a word that is used to define a person, a place, a thing, an idea, a quality. The bird is flying in this sentence. Bird is a noun, and flying is an action. The bird is flying. In this sentence, bear is noun, and peeking is an action. The bear is peeking. The monkey is noun, and swinging is verb. The monkey is swinging. Here the girl is noun, and diving is an action word. The girl is diving. In this sentence, the rabbit is noun, and snoring is verb. The rabbit is snoring. The boy is noun, and driving is an action word. The boy is driving. Here jumping is an action word. The girl is jumping. Here dog is an animal, this is noun, and barking is an action word. The dog is barking. In this sentence, kids are noun, and action is playing. Kids are playing. Here the mother is noun, and cooking is verb. Mother is cooking. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, subscribe Kiddie Buzz.